Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In today's video, let's see how to make this adorable puppy keychain. I used medium worsted weight yarns in two colors for the head and ears and white for the mouth. I used black thread for the nose. You will need a 3 mm crochet hook. I used black beads for eyes. You can also use the doll eyes and nose. You'll also need a stitch marker and scissors. First, make a magic ring. Insert hook into the ring and pull up a loop. Chain 1. Work 7 single crochets into the ring. Pull the free end of the yarn to tighten the ring. We'll be working in continuous rounds without joining at the end of each round. So, in the next round, work 2 single crochets in each stitch. I have worked 2 single crochets in the first stitch. Now place a marker in the first stitch to identify the beginning of the round. And now continue working 2 single crochets in each stitch. So you should have 14 stitches in this round. The second round is complete. Now we'll start round 3. Work single crochet in the next stitch. Place the marker. This will be the first stitch of round 3. Then work 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this around, single crochet in the next stitch and then 2 single crochets in the next stitch. There will be 21 stitches in this round. Next is round 4. Single crochet in 2 stitches. Place marker in the first stitch. Then work 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this around, work single crochets in 2 stitches and then 2 single crochets in the next stitch. In this round, you'll have 28 stitches. Will not be increasing anymore. So round 5 to 11, continue working single crochet in each stitch, placing marker at the beginning of each round, and in each round you'll have 28 stitches. So work single crochet in each stitch in rounds 5 to 11. I've completed up to round 11. Now let's start round 12 where we'll start decreasing stitches. We'll work single crochet 2 stitches together or single crochet decrease around. Place marker in the first stitch. To make a decrease, insert hook in the next stitch and pull up a loop. Again, insert hook in the next stitch and pull up a loop, and then yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Continue this around. You'll have 14 stitches. If you're using doll eyes, you can attach them after this round. You can fix them at the 7th round from the top with 4 stitches between the 2 eyes. At this stage, you can start filling, pushing in as much stuffing as possible. Then we'll work one more round of decrease. So work single crochet, decrease 7 times. So that will make 7 stitches. Then thread the free end of yarn through a yarn needle and weave in through the stitches to close the opening. Then bring the needle to the top. You can use this to attach the keyring. Now we'll make the ears. I have used another color. Make a magic ring. Insert hook into the ring and pull up a loop. Then chain 1 and work 6 single crochets into the ring. Tighten the ring by pulling the free end of yarn and then continue working single crochet in each stitch up to round 5. This is round 2. Up to round 5 work single crochet in each stitch. You can place a marker at the beginning of every round. I counted the stitches, so I did not place a marker. So for 4 more rounds work single crochet in each stitch. Okay, now we'll flatten the top by working single crochet. Work 2 single crochets through the stitches. Then cut the yarn off, leaving a long tail for sewing. Make one more. Using white, make a slip knot and then make 4 chains. Work single crochets in the second and the third chains. Three single crochets in the last chain. Single crochet in the next chain on the other side, and then 2 single crochets in the next chain. Then fasten off, leaving a long tail. You can embroider the nose now, making a triangle using the black thread. I forgot to do so, so I did it at the end. Now we'll attach the ears. You'll attach the ears between the third and the fourth rounds from the top. Similarly, sew the other ear. Then sew the mouth. Then I'm making a triangle using the black thread for nose. As I mentioned earlier, I forgot to do it before sewing this white patch. Then sew the eyes above the mouth. Then you can attach the keyring at the top. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.